Hello students, JEE exam is coming soon and I think you are doing a lot of practice and try to apply trick where it is possible. Let us apply the trick, special trick in this sum. Delta equal to a plus b plus c minus b minus c a plus b plus c minus a minus a plus b plus c. Which of the following four options is the value of this determinant? Let us assume a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to 1 and see what happened. A equal to b equal to c equal to 1. Now this determinant becomes a plus b plus c, that is we get 3 here, minus c, that is minus 1, minus b, that is minus 1, minus c, that is minus 1, a plus b plus c 3 and minus 1 and minus 1 and 3. Now what is the value of this determinant? Expanding 3 into 9 minus 1, next plus 1 into minus 1 into 3 minus 3 and minus 1 into 1 plus 3. Now we get 9 minus 1 8, 3 into 8 24, minus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 4, and 3 plus 1 4, that is 24, minus 4 we get 16. Now we have to find the values under A, B, C, D options, putting A equal to B equal to C equal to 1 and check the value of which of the following options is 16. It is called substitution and balancing process, you know. Now putting A equal to B equal to C equal to 1, we get 3 cube, that is 27, which is not equal to 16, so it can't be the value of this determinant, and 0 is not the value of the determinant, so A and B cancelled out. Now under C, 2 into A plus B, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, we get 16, so C is the right answer.